Hello, this is Beige Corners. Please follow and subscribe. Hello mga B, tutorial time. Tutorial on how to make 2x2 using MS Word. So, let's start. Possible, making this is one of the best way para gumawa tayo ng isang 2x2 size using MS Word. So, let's start. So, nag-resize na ako dyan into 5x7, 5R. Napapel yung gamit ko dyan. At syempre, kumuha tayo ng picture na naka-remove background or white background na. At go to format at resize it into 2x2 inches, 2 height and 2 width. And of course, copy-paste lang at tamang adjust ng mga pictures para magkakapantay-pantay talaga sila. And that's it. Ready to print na yung 2x2 natin. At yung gamit ko dyan is Polaris type na satin type Polaris brand na papel para mas maganda at makintab siyang tingnan. Parang edit na eh. Thanks for watching. Hope it really help para sa mga gustong gumawa or mag-start ng business in printing.